In this video, I'll walk you through the process of collecting logs and forwarding them to Kafka. In this use case, we will collect Windows event logs and forward the events to Kafka and NXLog Platform. Let's get started. Apache Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform designed to handle large volumes of data in real time. It works by publishing messages to topics, which can then be consumed by applications, analytics tools, SIEMs, or data pipelines. There are a couple of directives you need to know about, as they are required to forward logs to Kafka. Broker list. This directive specifies the list of Kafka brokers to connect to for publishing logs. The list should include ports and be comma delimited. Topic. This directive specifies the initial Kafka topic to publish records to. Now, let's configure our NXLog agent to forward logs to Kafka and NXLog Platform. I have prepared a sample configuration. In this configuration, the input block named event log uses the INN's VistaLog module to read events from the Windows event log. Inside it, we've defined a query XML filter that selects every event from both the application log and the security log, ensuring full coverage of these two channels. For the first output, we're sending logs to Kafka using the onkafka module. Here, we configure the required directives, the Kafka broker endpoint that the NXLog agent connects to, and the target topic where the logs will be published. In addition to these required directives, we also define how the events are handled and secured within Kafka. The partition directive determines which partition within the topic the events will be written to. In this example, we're using partition 0, but this can be adjusted depending on your Kafka setup or distribution strategy. Because this connection uses TLS, the protocol directive is set to SSL. We then specify the CA file, cert file, and cert key file, which define the certificate authority, client certificate, and client key used by the NXLog agent. Together, these settings enable secure, encrypted communication with the Kafka broker and ensure that only trusted clients are allowed to publish data. The same events also go to NXLog Platform via OM batch compress, so we have centralized storage and search on the platform too. With this route in place, the event log input forwards logs to both outputs, so the event goes to Kafka and to NXLog Platform in parallel. You can also configure these logs to be sent to any destination of your choice, such as Google SecOps, Microsoft Sentinel, Splunk, or other solutions. Next, we'll proceed to apply the configuration to NXLog agent and verify that the logs are being successfully received. The configuration has been successfully applied. Now let's check if the NXLog agent is forwarding logs to Kafka. It's important to note that we're using Kafka's native tools to consume and display these events. In this example, we're using Kafka's built-in consumer script, which allows us to read events directly from the Kafka topic and display them in real time without relying on any third-party tools. As you can see, the NXLog agent has successfully forwarded events to Kafka, and the events are being consumed and displayed using Kafka's native consumer. Let's also confirm on NXLog Platform. The logs are also visible here. Thank you for watching.